With rice or only chicken?
Tas ni dan sini mah, malikan Nongstoin dan polenti mata. Yang wani tinggal di kumtohi sini selum syawak kadan. Mentai bagol yang bun kamang tu te kasan msai te phi mi bagol khniat ira ama nakadum basa sana ka background. Bagol hile sih mata sing mah?
Di Nongstoin.
Di Nongstoin mah. Kali pri ka phlim. Lumi mata sing ni.
Dailat.
Ang mopi mah?
Ha?
Ang mopi mah? Okay. Pem tasing mah cara kadi ka lenti bingil sak dailat. Kani lenti mah? Kamdi lenti balik sak dailat. Lenti ngile Nongstoin ban peni ka phlim dailat. Kila apa ni? Tarai ngiculik ngi tang bancu. Ai ku beli ki nongkersan phlim kasi. Jadi ba komante producer. Jo ka phlim dailat. Kumdo ka film tasing.
Kabang agak ya.
Kabang agak mah? Naruka jini kong. Tapi si sangnya yang ini malah kapot.
Ah, ini kan si pau nambahan ya. Itu kan friend.
You don't know, with one of our friends out here.
Yeah, there.
What? Name. Para.
Okay, this is Mr. Parak. He's a famous model.
Model.
He's an actor, model and all. Yesteryears, I suppose, right?
Years, absolutely.
Okay. And so how's this Shillong? How long have you been here now?
I've been here for the last 20 days now.
Okay.
Yeah, but
So
I've been coming here from 1983.
Wow. So, you know Shillong very well,
I know
right?
Shillong pretty well.
Okay, fine.
How do you find our local?
What about our local cuisine out here?
Love it.
You're having this right now?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay. So you're okay with the Khasi cuisine also?
Yes. Love
Having
it.
everything?
I've been having everything.
Even the pork intestine and
pork, beef, everything.
everything. Wow, that's a good thing. Yeah, that's a good thing because we've got lots of people coming from, from outside Shillong. They don't have much of beef or of pork.
Yeah.
But you're having everything. No problem with. Fans tanwa jong bado kita ni creation do jong u pemtasi wan hani ka hall sini seneng. Ngira mtasi kita ka make of it hall ni Nongstoin. Te la sha sa sisi dang don te la no ba pikwa pan one page. Ka por chi baje live je san baje bania baje minute ka dan ma. Te kalau ni ibon ibre ba wan pikai sini. Kilang betul. Pikai itu serum seneng. Komandan te nang concentrate bhava pli te kalau ngumtai par fight spekai sebenarnya salam kai kisah hall hari ini kesal bila bani imak snippets tasi tibon pada question do pada bang golden nanti yang pai bar kita nang ni par fight itu producer jengi lada biang itu Mr. Commander Shangkliang dah